Hey guys, Hop Outdoors back again. Just figured I'd do a quick review of this Stanley Adventure Camp cook set that comes with the two cups, two ceramic cups. Um, I got this just as my main water boiler if I'm out on the trails and whatnot. But for today's purposes, I'm just going to do a controlled test. So we have a controlled heat source. I'm just going to throw it on the stove and try and boil some water and make some tea with it real quick. If you guys want to check this out, I'll provide the Amazon link below the video. But it's got a couple cool features. It's got this flap on top that's easy to just remove the lid or grab it when the whole thing is hot. And the water's done boiling and ready to be poured. And it's got this handle which pretty much seals the lid. Open that up, and this will lock into place, so it's pretty nice. The only thing that's kind of irritating, but not really a big deal, is the lid is just, once this handle comes off, the lid is just super loose. So just, that's one thing to bear in mind if you're going to be looking into buying it. So the lid also got vented holes, so if you want to keep the lid on while you're pouring, you just hold the handle, tilt and pour while you hold the lid. And the way it comes packed, see they got the two cups inside. These are pretty nice. They feel solid. If they got to fire, they could still melt, but they're gonna hold any hot or cold beverage or soup or anything like that just fine. Pretty heavy duty. So we'll set these aside. You'll also notice, if I can capture this on the inside, you've got your measurement markers, so you know what you're pouring. They're also on the outside. So for those of you that have like mountain houses or any other sort of dried out foods, you can get your exact measurements just pouring your water in there. Alright, so this has been washed already. I'm gonna fill it up with water and we're gonna get it going on the stove and see approximately how long it takes to start boiling. So the burner that the thermos is over is one of our power burners, so it's got a wider radius than the actual cup itself. I don't think it should be a problem, but we'll see. Just for references, I put in exactly 16 ounces of water, and we started at about 8:14. Guys, it's not even been going a minute, and I know this is a controlled flame, but let me just show y'all this. Already getting bubbles, so it's going pretty quick. So far it looks to be a pretty good product. Alright guys, we're back. So the rolling boil took about 5 to 6 minutes. I've already touched the handle, so I can tell you that basically like the first 3/4 of that handle from the end of it towards the cup are safe to grab. That's with a controlled flame though. If this was directly over campfire, I'm sure that whole thing would be way too hot to touch directly. Gonna go ahead and just pour the water in and see how this tea turns out. So we're just gonna let that steep for a while, and that's all there is to it. Went pretty well. I'm impressed. Less than 20 bucks. Get it on Walmart or Amazon. I'll provide the link under the video. Till next time.